Sanibonani, ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. Cha ngithe ake ngenze le video mina mnini wendaba ngoba sengiyabona ukuthi kukhona okusabalalayo okungasilona iqiniso and ngiyabona ukuthi kuyabhebhetheka. So niyazi ke mina indaba zami nizizwa kumina. Kubikwa la ukuthi I'm no longer part of iJozi FM because kube khona ingxabano nesiteshi. I'm here to tell you ukuthi one, it is true. My journey with iJozi FM has come to an end. I'm not coming back next season. But akusikho ngoba mhlambe kukhona ingxabano ebekhona noma mina ngixabene nobani noma nesiteshi cha. Akusile iqiniso lelo. Nakhona nje ngiyenza le video ngiye ngakhuluma nomphathi wami prior ngoba uyena umuntu engireporta ke nambuza ukuthi mphathi ngingakwazi ni mhlambe ukukhipha angeke ngithi statement kodwa ke into eshoyo ukuthi I'm no longer part of iJozi FM ngezizathu sokuthi ngiyabona umphathi lapha ku social media sekubhalwa into engingesiyona. Umphathi oseyangivumela kwathi hayiphini khulileke ungaposta nami yazi ngithola icall kwi journalist ethizeni wanga comment umphathi urefer to the personal assistant kaBamjomani uthi akazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni afterwards. But nami ngamtshela ukuthi imphathi nami ngifonelwa ama journalist mhlambe awu4 athi mhlambe ama journalist awu4 ahlukile engibuza ukuthi so what went wrong. Nakhona ngiyithandanga indlela abayi approach ngayo lento ukuthi what went wrong ngoba you could have asked what's happening yabo. Although ngingakhomentanga sengiyabona kwama articles sengiyaquotewa I'm beating around the bush angisiyena umuntu okhuluma gegisa amazwi mina ngumuntu ojwayele ukukhuluma into eqondile. Nakhona futhi phela umsebenzi uyabo umsebenzi kodwa wona lama journalist engihlezi ngikhuluma ngawo ukuthi ade ngiwini award nje zolo lokhu ngapost akhona oyedwa ngifunela ukuthi singakwazi ukubhala sikhulume about your achievements kodwa sengathi kuba khona into ezodayisa iphepha segitshelwa phezukwayo leyo kodwa ke umsebenzi. It's unfortunate phela ukuthi umsebenzi wena ubuye uqede isinkwa sabanye ngoba nifuna ukudayisa iphepha nimbeke umuntu ngendlela ongasiyona einkundleni zokuxhumana. Yini enye ngiyikhohlwayo. Kunjalo nje nakhona vele ufane mina ngiyibonga njalo iJozi FM ngoba ekufikeni kwami 2024 this was like what 2 years ago mengifika ngabatshela kahle nje abaphathi uBamjomani noTshepo uthi hey mina I'm just going to be here for 6 months ngisafuna ukuhlakaza ikhanda ngiyezobuyela ekhaya ngidakwa. But you know 6 months turn into 2 years and it is time for me ukuthi ngikhule. So bengithatha le opportunity as the opportunity yokukhula kumele ngiyithole kumele ngi-explore ezinye indawo ekusefanele ngikhulele kuzona. Doing that without disrespecting iJozi FM. Ngihlale kahle kakhulu bafethu lapha nani nibonile ngize ngakhuluphala zathenga imoto under that management ngawina ama awards amabili under isandla seJozi FM all because I had to move away from my comfort zone. So in no way and in no day am I gonna disrespect iJozi FM. But naye into engiyiqalayo ngicabanga ukuthi izongifaka enkingeni kodwa ngizoyisho anyways because ngiyazi ngizokhohlwa. But you know ngoba sesiyakhuluma ngalento cha ake ngibongoza kwethu ngiphathe kahle kakhulu mesiqala nje eminyango eJozi FM nkosiyami ubaba Maseko ngibonga ubaba Maseko ubaba onempatho ubaba uSikada wenza sure ukuthi konke kuphephile hamsana nobaba uMncike hamsana nobaba uSithole reception uMamntombi lo mngahli yabo no wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi indawo sisebenzela kuyona ihlanzekile. No Jabu Mamor, you know, shout out to Jabu, shout out to a production Kosiamo Jagobe Muna Mubedi Lakiri Vimbi Muna Mutsonga no Toban Kosiam Uhlabanga Numtal ube umtitiyeli wohlelo lethu lwamaskandi ebengilibamba noMasikane. Shout out to the news department, Mushe Masangai. I hope I'm saying it right. Shout out to the head of news, man, Mushe. Nemthandazo yakhe behlezi sinika yona ngomsomluko nkosi yami uMashabalala isilende sama catalog. Shout out to Nompinyama, Babalaba Sutu, Take It saying, man, Nompi, I'll miss you. Literally, this will start making me cry. Trust me, if you quit in an environment where you no longer wanted to be in no position will you cry. But here I am because, those people were good to me. Especially Kwa News, especially Unompi, she was very patient with me in teaching me Sesotho, asho ukuthi usho ukuthi sengiyofunda indaba asho ukuthi kufanele ngithi shuthi mina Babalaba Sotho ihlobala didaba. She was very patient with me. Who am I forgetting in the news department? I don't think I'm forgetting anyone. Shout out to the music nkosi yami Pro, the famous Pro, the legendary Pro, nkosi yami Ntabi Seng, DJ Tenacity. Shout out to Manda ka technical ebisimhlupha njalo uthi ayibona ama computers ethulike manje. Shout out to my producer. Shout out to my colleagues, man. Pelepele, the Bells, Lungstar Masondo, who does the breakfast show 6 to 9. And shout out to Mapindi, who held it down when I was absent. Shout out to Utuso, Quinty, 12 to 3. Shout out to Refili Mote and Vim Tembu, 3 to 6. Okay, I did not know all the other slots, but shout out to Ntate Muloi, man. Who am I forgetting? Yeah. Ngisho ukuthi zongifaka enkingeni ngoba ngeke ngibakhumbule bonke. Ngikhohlo bani. Shout out to Dumi. And shout out to my HR, Mom Rachel. Every time I wrote an email, I'd be like the moms, or just shout out to my line manager, Mr. Tsepo Makhoba. Shout out to Ubab Njuman, okuyena umsusi nomqalo wezinto wangilandela kade ngikhona. If I am forgetting anyone, I really, really apologize. But Bafet, it's not even in a bad way. But yeah, I just don't appreciate you guys painting my name in the wrong way and painting the station in the wrong way. Josie FM is a great station. We had a good working relationship. And shout out to Aibo and Jam. Shout out to my best friend, shout out to my colleague. I got to send Nayo, Nabo, and yes. I got to send Nayo Masigan. Just thank you, man. And shout out to the listeners. Oh, my friend is Zola. Okay, this is gonna make me cry. Oh, my friend, Phuza Bethetha, Dimamzo, Mamkosi, Madlamini, Mashabalala. Jeez, man, there was just like so many of them. Who am I forgetting? Mashabalala, Nomdu, I think Umdu, Nomusbu, somewhere, just shout out to the listeners, man. They were there. At the commenter like all the time. It's not even in a bad way, Buffett, but just to journalists, make sure you do your investigation properly before niruna magama bantu. Ngiyazi ukuthi umsebenzi, but just in whatever you do, don't paint me in a bad way. Ungakazi kwenzakaleni. Nothing happened. Ungayi emaphepheni usuyobhala la uthi she was beating around the bush. Iyeke loo nto. Ungasipainti iJozi FM as a bad station. Don't. Yeah. But yeah. Jeez, I don't know who I'm forgetting in that station. Hold on. Yeah, and also just a special thanks to uLucky Rivimbi. Ngathi mengifika kwabo yena ungifundisa yonke into i-desk system. Always patient with me, Shout out to Lucky and Nompi mostly. Noba Maseko.
Subscribe to this channel.